Hey there, welcome back to our channel. We're here today to talk about 6 quick food swaps that can change your health journey forever. Imagine transforming your eating habits with simple substitutions that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also supercharge your path to wellness, where it's entirely possible, and we're here to guide you through it. So get ready to discover how you can make small changes for big results. Each swap is designed to elevate your nutrition, boost your energy, and help you feel amazing. Let's dive right in. 1. Swap sugary breakfast cereals with overnight oats. Now let's start with a common breakfast culprit, sugary cereal. Many popular brands are loaded with hidden sugars, which can cause energy crashes and contribute to weight gain. Instead, why not try overnight oats? This simple swap can make a world of difference. Not only does it provide you with sustained energy throughout the morning, but it also offers better digestion and keeps you feeling full for a longer period of time, reducing the likelihood of mid-morning cravings. Plus, it's incredibly easy to prepare. Just soak rolled oats in milk or yogurt overnight and voila, you have a nutritious breakfast ready to go. But the benefits don't stop there. Overnight oats are a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. You can infuse them with delicious flavors by adding your favorite fruits, seeds, nuts, or even a little dark chocolate for a decadent touch. It's a perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth while nourishing your body. So ditch the sugary cereals and embrace the creamy goodness of overnight oats. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. 2. Ditch soda. Infuse your water with flavor. Okay, next up, let's tackle a beverage that's often overlooked: soda. Sugary sodas are not only loaded with empty calories, but they can also wreak havoc on your teeth and contribute to various health issues. Instead, why not infuse your water with natural flavors? It's a simple swap that can make a significant impact. Not only is infused water refreshing and hydrating, but it also helps curb cravings for sugary drinks. To make your own infused water, it's incredibly easy. Add slices of lemon, mint leaves, cucumber, or berries to a pitcher of water and let the flavors blend. It's like having a personal beverage sommelier right in your kitchen. Infused water is not only a healthier alternative, but it also supports glowing skin and detoxifying your body. By staying hydrated and ditching the soda, you'll be taking a proactive step towards a healthier you. 3. Replace mayo with mashed avocado or Greek yogurt. Now let's turn our attention to a common cooking ingredient: mayonnaise. Mayo is often loaded with unhealthy fats and has little nutritional value. But fear not, there are some fantastic alternatives. Mashed avocado or Greek yogurt can be excellent substitutes that add flavor and health benefits to your meals. Avocado provides fiber, healthy fats, and essential vitamins, while Greek yogurt boosts protein and gives a creamy texture that you'll love. For example, if you're making a sandwich, you can easily swap out mayo for mashed avocado. It's a simple change that adds a creamy richness and a dose of nutrients. Similarly, Greek yogurt can be used as a dip instead of mayo for vegetables or whole grain crackers. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try mixing the two for a unique flavor and texture. 4. Swap white pasta with zoodles or whole grain pasta. When it comes to pasta, the options can seem endless, but let's focus on a healthier swap. White pasta. Refined carbohydrates found in white pasta can lead to blood sugar spikes and contribute to weight gain. Instead, why not try zucchini noodles or whole grain pasta? This swap can make a significant difference in your meals without compromising on taste. Zucchini noodles, also known as zoodles, are low in carbs and rich in nutrients, making them a fantastic choice for those looking to reduce their carbohydrate intake. They can be made using a vegetable peeler or spiralizer, and they add a light and refreshing touch to your dishes. On the other hand, whole grain pasta is a fiber-packed alternative that provides more nutrients than refined pasta. It's a great option for those who want to increase their fiber intake and support better digestion. Plus, the added fiber can help stabilize blood sugar levels and aid in weight management. So whether you're craving a comforting pasta dish or looking to add variety to your meals, these healthy swaps are sure to impress your taste buds and nourish your body. 5. Trade processed snacks for homemade. Trail mix. Now let's talk about a common snacking issue: processed snacks. From chips to cookies, these treats are often high in unhealthy fats, excessive salt, and added sugars. But don't worry, we've got a wholesome solution. Try homemade trail mix. A small handful of trail mix can provide a burst of energy and satisfy your snack cravings without the nutritional drawbacks. To make your own trail mix, it's incredibly simple. Combine nuts like almonds or walnuts with seeds such as pumpkin or sunflower seeds, and a touch of dried fruit for sweetness. This customizable mix is not only delicious, but it also keeps you engaged and helps beat mindless snacking. Plus, it's a fantastic grab-and-go option when hunger strikes between meals. So instead of reaching for that processed snack, grab a handful of trail mix and enjoy the nourishing goodness. 6. Say goodbye to sugary desserts. Embrace frozen fruit blends. Last but certainly not least, let's address a common sweet tooth struggle: sugary desserts. From cakes to ice creams, these indulgences can be hard to resist. But they often come with a hefty dose of added sugars and unhealthy ingredients. However, there is a healthier and equally delicious alternative. Frozen fruit blends offer a refreshing and nutritious way to satisfy your cravings. Simply blend frozen bananas, berries, or mango until smooth and creamy. The result is a dessert that tastes like ice cream, but without the guilt and packed with vitamins. It's a fantastic way to cool down and indulge your sweet tooth without compromising your health goals. And there you have it, 6 quick food swaps that can transform your eating experience and support your health journey. Remember, small changes can lead to big results, and each swap is a step towards a healthier, happier you. If you found these swaps helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. And if you're eager for more health and wellness tips, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more informative videos. Until next time, happy swapping, and here's to a healthier, happier you.